Hey everyone, I'm going to open up another Evolving Skies Build and Battle Stadium for you all today. So let's get this opened. Okay. Alright, so I'll just go through the packs so you can see what we get. Comes with a whole bunch of energy cards, some little toys and dice. So let's get this open. It also comes with some promo cards too. Alright, the Galarian Articuno, I already pulled that, but always good to have another. And a Flaffy. So I already have the promo Flaffy and Galarian Articuno, but always good to have extra. Alright. Yeah. Yep. Alright. Water Energy, Ice Cube, Trainer, Skiploom, Hoppip, Swablu, Zorora, Cryogonal, Petilil, Reverse Shake, and a Dialga Hollow. Alright. Water Energy, Flaffy, Pyroar, Trainer, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Luftisc, Seedot, Slackoff, Reverse Wyloose, and a non-hollow Talonflame. Promo. Water Energy. Okay, 3 waters in a row. That's strange. Crustle, Trainer, Bagon, Woobat, Timple, Psyduck, Eevee, Reverse Bulldor, and a Militech. Non-hollow. Psychic Energy, Herdier, Trainer, Palpitoad, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, Bagon, Woobat, Reverse Salamence, and a Sharpedo. Alright. promo. Okay, Leaf Energy. Trainer, Ice Cube, Trainer, Creganol, Petalil, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, a Reverse Trainer, and a Zygarde Hollow. I don't think I have this one. Probably do, but it's still cool hollow. Okay. Okay. Energy. Ursaring, Swoobat, Trainer, Flabébé, Carvana, Dweeble, Mareep. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Drowsy, a Reverse Trainer, Stormy Mountains, and ooh, this one's cool. Nice, a Gyarados V Full Art. I don't have that one, but this is really nice. Finally, a card I haven't pulled yet. Metal Energy, Hippowdon, Tentacruel, Trainer, Slackoth, Petalil, Pikachu, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Reverse Psyduck, and Stoutland. Okay. Alright, Energy, Trainer, Ice Cube, Lotad, Sableye, Teddiursa, Mareep, Zorora, a Reverse Pumpkaboo, but I think there's something good behind this card. Yep. Glaceon V. I already have you, but still cool. All right. Energy, Trainer, Xylus, Sableye, Nickit, Bergmite, Carvana, Emolga, Reverse Regidrago. There's something good behind this one. Vaporeon V Max. Alright, I have this one, but still a good one. This is actually one of my giveaway cards. This one I'm giving out when I hit 100 followers, and when I hit 75, I'm going to give out the Gyarados V card. Not the one I just pulled, but a different version. But this is still a good card to get. Okay, Vigoroth, Trainer, Lillipup, Bagon, Teddiursa, Lotad, Hitmonchan, Altaria Reverse, and a regular Altaria. Alright. Alright, last 2 packs. Metal Energy, Trainer, Crystal, Trainer, Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, Mareep, Wobbuffet, Zygarde, Reverse, and a Wishy-Washy. Alright, last pack. Let's see what I get. Come on, open. Alright, Energy. Trainer, Avalugg, Woobat, Eevee, Timple, Cutiefly, Reverse Applin, a Reverse Ice Cube, and ooh, what is this? Oh, Duraludin V. I have like 5 of these already. Alright, not bad. Got a few that I got one I didn't have, and then I think some of the reverses I don't have yet. But here are the hits. Duraludin V, Vaporeon V Max, Glaceon. This one I don't have the Gyarados V card. This is really cool. I like this card a lot. Glad I finally pulled this one. And the 2 holos. Pretty sure I know I have the Dialga, not sure about the Zygarde. But honestly, the Gyarados is pretty worth it for me. Again, don't forget about my giveaways, like and subscribe, and you could potentially win some cards that I pull. Thanks.